Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you still sending Instagram DMs one by one and wondering why it takes hours just to reach a few people? What if you could message hundreds, even thousands, of targeted Instagram users automatically? Minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using MKT Insta. That's where MKT Insta comes in. With MKT Insta, you can scan real Instagram users by keyword, username, build targeted username lists, and bulk DMs automatically scale outreach safely and efficiently. First, you need to prepare secondary Instagram accounts to send messages to your customers. This way, if your main account gets banned, it won't affect it. First, open MKT Insta and go to the account scanning feature. Enter username related to your niche, for example fitness, online business, crypto, OnlyFans models, etc. You should choose a username with a large number of followers. Their followers are also your customers. Click Start. Software automatically finds and compiles a list of relevant Instagram users. Next, move to the messaging section. Add your DM content. Use multiple message versions if needed. Personalize your tone to match your audience. This helps increase reply rates and avoid spam detection. Now simply paste the username list you scanned earlier. Select the Instagram accounts you want to send from. Click Start. Insta handles everything automatically. In just a few minutes, you can reach hundreds, even thousands, of potential customers, perfect for affiliate marketers, online sellers, agents, lead generation, personal branding. Less time, more reach, better results. If you want to try MKT Insta or need expert guidance, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.